In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood bumper on this Ford Ranger. That's this little rubber pad that sits on either side of the hood behind each headlight to prevent the hood from shutting too far. Let's get started. The reason you'd want to replace this is because, as you can see on this one, they either crack and fail, or you can't adjust them anymore because they're seized and for some reason you need to adjust them. The easiest way to get this out is, well, unfortunately, to partially damage it. And by that, I mean you want to grab this with pliers and be ready to pull it sideways. And there's this access hole right here that if you put your hand through, you can feel this tab on the underside of the panel here. So you want to press that tab in to release this side, tilt it sideways, and pull it up. That's basically what you're aiming for. As you can see, I can move it from underneath. Once you pull it far enough, you might be able to stick something either underneath here or under here to continue prying it out of the way. There we go. So, as you can see, it does get damaged while removing, but that's why you just install a new one. So, here's your new one. At this point, you want to try and match it up the best you can with the height of the original. So approximately there. As you can see, I bent mine, so it's difficult to do, but you can always adjust it obviously after. To install it, line it up. It only goes in one way. Tap it down, and this should be locked in. It's normal for it to move a little bit, and now you should be able to adjust this up and down based on how far you need it. What you're looking for is that the hood lines up flush with the fender when it's shut.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.